Because we are a service provider, we have to be very, very transparent with what we do on site here. So the customer needs to know that his product has arrived with us and that it's arrived with the correct quality, quantity, temperature, as though it had arrived at his site. So we generate a daily report group. So it has all the intake information with it. It has all our yield reports and mass balances for the day, as well as all of our sales orders that are going back to the customer. So he's got full clarity of what we are doing on site. We have to ask ourselves, why would the customer send product to us for us to manufacture for them? The only way we can do it is to actually carry out the operation more efficiently, to the correct standards and to correct yields that the customer requires. We always mass balance all our production runs to a minimum of 98.5%. Generally, we hit 99%. All of this information is transparent and goes back to the customer.